Welcome to Healthy Eating with today's recipe. Today we're going to teach you how to make a salmon burger that's perfect for keeping your heart healthy. Salmon is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids which have numerous benefits for the heart. Let's get started. Salmon is usually found in cold water environments like Alaska and Norway. It's also a more sustainable option to buy farm-raised salmon instead of wild salmon. You can either purchase the salmon fillets from your local fish market or buy frozen salmon that is already in fillet form. Ingredients needed: 1 pound of fresh salmon, skin removed. 3 cloves of garlic, minced. 1/4 cup of chopped onion. 1/4 cup of chopped fresh parsley. 1/4 cup of chopped fresh dill. In a large bowl, mix together the salmon, garlic, onion, parsley, and dill. Form the mixture into 4 patties. Place the patties into the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees F. Place the patties on a baking sheet and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until cooked through. Now that you've prepared your salmon burger, let's talk about the benefits of eating salmon for your heart. Salmon is a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation in the body. Inflammation is linked to heart disease, and so omega-3 fatty acids can help decrease your risk of heart disease. Omega-3 fatty acids have also been shown to help lower blood pressure, which can reduce your risk of heart attack and stroke. In addition to omega-3 fatty acids, salmon is also a great source of protein, vitamin B12, and vitamin D. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues in your body, including your heart. Vitamin B12 helps your body produce red blood cells and helps your nervous system function properly. Vitamin D helps your body absorb calcium and maintain strong bones. So, there you have it, a delicious salmon burger that's healthy for your heart. Salmon is an easy food to incorporate into your diet, whether you're making burgers, salads, or even just grilling a fillet. Try to eat salmon at least twice a week to get the maximum benefits for your heart. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video for another heart-healthy recipe.